White bird in the summer rain, soft as light without a name. Through the falling silver lines, you appear and fade again. I don't know where you belong. Sky is silence, dusk or dawn, but I feel you passing through like a breath that won't stay long. White bird, don't disappear. Leave a trace in the air right here. Through the rain, through the night, you are barely inside. White bird, slow your flight. Drift between the dark and light. If you go, let me know. Was it real or just a glow? Rain is writing on the ground, every drop a quiet sound. And behind this fragile veil, something lost is almost found. You don't land, you don't call, just a shadow, that is all. But the world feels different now, like I heard a distant call. White bird in the distant gray, you were never meant to stay. Still you touch this hidden place no one else could ever reach. White bird in the rain. White bird in the rain. White bird.